Yeah, whatever people, you already know it's your boy, but the Sunday aka Sugar Boy. Today, as I could drop this one again, sharply. And I know the normal attitude now. Sometimes we see some kind of things we will swallow, but guess someone we will see when we say we not go fit swallow. You understand me? So I don't know why Nigeria they always they fuck up. Nigeria na country when we say we know they see lights. If you will see light now 2 minutes, they go stake am. Before the light go come again, if you reach like 3 or 4 days, for when month end, that bill they must bring am come. That na sure. Nigeria na country be say fuel no dey. You go filling station, they go say no fuel, you go dey queue. But inside that filling station when you dey, so you go just hear for radio say they don transport fuel go another country. Who caused Nigeria? Wetin be the problem? Wetin be the price when they need to pay to come up for this mess when we dey face for the country Nigeria? Wetin we need to do? Which sacrifice we need to sacrifice? Make they tell us. Because we the citizen, we don't go other country, go dey suffer to pay the price. But still, we no dey see changes. Imagine country where security no dey, country where need peace, when not get peace right now. We need peace, so they go another country, they go peacekeeping mission. Not be juju be that. My friend just called me yesterday afternoon, say, Sugar Boy, you know what it is up? I said no. He said una mobile police dey Somalia right now. Now I said, what they can't do? They come holiday for them. He said no. They come birthday party. He said no. Now burial they can't do for them. He said no. They escort Buhari come there, can't do surgery. He said no. Say they come for peacekeeping. The same mobile police when we know, when we say that they pull uniform, they run for ESM. They pull uniform, they run for no gunmen. They go peacekeeping for another country. Oh God. Wow, this thing not be real. No lie, it can't be real. Now go peacekeeping for another country and peace not in Nigeria. We dey find country when you go come. God do peacekeeping for Nigeria. No security, no light, no road, nothing. Una dey go other country, they go do peacekeeping. Una never talk what you na go do for Somalia. Now the fear of a no gunmen, na make una go Somalia now go north side. Say una go for peacekeeping. Somalian citizen, I'm sorry for now. Sorry, oh, it is finished. Una fit say things no dey go well for with una for Somalia. Now when Nigeria mobile police don't come say, now una problem start, because if una police no dey go checkpoint, they go collect money for checking point before. Now una go experience am. If una police no dey harass citizens when just dey waka on their own for road before they go do their normal daily activity before, now una go experience am. Wetin they call corruption? Now I won't see corruption. Una y'all dey enjoy una normal lifestyle for there, they manage una things. Una say no, say una no even see any country for the full world come make it come peacekeeping. Say na Nigeria carry Nigeria mobile police when we say now they be number one champion for corruption. Now they don't carry come me, they can't do peacekeeping for Somalia. Oh, c'est fini. Country will not get peace. Now go another country for peacekeeping. I'm not surprised, because now Nigeria be country will not get light, but they give another country light. Ghana did the one I go call. Una not call Ghana. ESM did the when be saying that they be the number one champion right now for security. Una not call them. Saying that Nigeria mobile police. Somalian president. What is Somalians do you? When make you want insert this virus for their body right now? Hi! I know, man. I use God, I use any juju when una dey serve all this mobile police wey dey Somalia so take beg una come back, come first keep peace for Nigeria before una go Somalia go keep peace for there. I use God dey beg una the ones wey no dey serve God among una, if na Ayelala or Ogun any of the una dey serve, I beg una first keep peace for Nigeria before una dey go another country dey go keep peace. If sand dey your eye, you go first comot am before you dey comot the one dey another person eye. Sand dey una eye, Nigerians dey cry for because of insecurity wey dey Nigeria. Una go Somalia, dey come down, dey see una dey gallivants, dey post. I know say that Somalia one una go say many no go come back, so go from there cross enter another country. Because of the fear for no government, now una go Somalia, say una go for peacekeeping. Una never talk wetin una go do for Somalia, not be peacekeeping una go. Rubbish.